Hello, welcome back. In our previous classes, we discussed different aspects of the present tense. In today's class, let's learn about one more aspect of the present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. In this class, let's learn how to form sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. We have learned how to form sentences in the present continuous tense. In the same way, we have to use the ing form of the verb when we form sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. As you all know, when sentences are formed in the present continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries am, is and are. In this tense form, in the present perfect continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries have been and has been. Let's find out how they are used in sentences. Have been and has been. We use this auxiliary with the subject I, we, you and they. When the subject is I, we, you and they, we use the auxiliary have been. When the subject is he, she and it, we use the auxiliary has been. You can see on the board there are many sentences written here. All these sentences are in the present perfect continuous tense. You need to find out the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. In the present perfect continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries have been and has been. With I, or when the pronoun is I, when the subject is I, we use the auxiliary have been. When the subject is we use the auxiliary have been. When the subject is you, we use the same auxiliary, that is have been. When the subject is they, we use the auxiliary have been. But when the subject is he, we use the auxiliary has been. When the subject or the pronoun is she, we use the auxiliary has been. And when the pronoun is it, or when the subject is it, we use the auxiliary has been. Look at the first example. I have been teaching. In this example, in this sentence, you can see have been is used. If we use am instead of have been, this can be used because in the present continuous tense, we use the auxiliary am with the subject I. What is the difference between I am teaching and I have been teaching? When sentences are formed in the present continuous tense, as we have learned, we use the auxiliary am and ing form of the verb. I am teaching means I am teaching now. The action is taking place now, or the action is happening now. I have been teaching means the action started at some point in the past and it's continuing in the present. I have been teaching means the action is not over yet, it's going on. I have been teaching. What we need to learn is we have to use the auxiliary have been when the subject is I, when we form sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. We have been waiting. Here too, ing form of the verb is used. You can't say we have been wait or we have been waited. It's wrong. It's grammatically incorrect. We have been waiting is correct. You have been disturbing. You can add words to this sentence to make it clearer. You have been disturbing me. You can say they have been trying. Here too, we have used the auxiliary have been with the pronoun they or with the subject they. They have been trying. We have learned which auxiliary should be used in the present continuous tense when the subject is I, we, you and they. Let's go to the next part. When the subject changes or when the pronoun changes, which auxiliary we should use? Let's learn. Look at this example. He has been talking. Here too, we use the ing forms of verbs. He has been talking. We can't say in English, he have been talking or she have been talking. It's grammatically incorrect. It's wrong. He has been talking, we should say. We use the auxiliary has been when the subject is he or when the pronoun is he. She has been studying. We can't say she have been studying. When the subject is she, we use the auxiliary has been. She has been studying. She has been studying since morning, we can say. Now you may ask me, what is the difference between it has been raining and it's raining? It's raining means it's raining now, it's happening. It has been raining means it started raining at some point in the past and it hasn't stopped yet. It has been raining. We can say it has been raining since morning, or it has been raining since yesterday. With these examples, we have learned how positive sentences are formed in the present perfect continuous tense using the auxiliaries have been and has been. Now let's learn how negative sentences are formed, or how we make negative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been teaching. In the negative, it is I have not been teaching. We have been waiting. It's very easy to form negative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. We have been teaching. We have not been teaching. You have been disturbing. You have not been disturbing. They have been trying. They have not been trying. He has been talking. He has not been talking. She has been studying. She has not been studying. It has been raining. It has not been raining. This way we make negative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. Now let me tell you how interrogative sentences are formed, or how questions are formed in the present perfect continuous tense. While forming questions in the present perfect continuous tense, we use the auxiliaries have been and has been. Let's find out how questions are formed in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been teaching. Have I been teaching? We have been waiting. Have we been waiting? You have been disturbing. Have you been disturbing? They have been trying. Have they been trying? He has been talking. Has he been talking? She has been studying. Has she been studying? It has been raining. Has it been raining? This is how we form questions in the present perfect continuous tense. In today's class, we have discussed the last aspect of the present tense, that is the present perfect continuous tense. Now you can compare the sentences that we have learned in this class with the sentences that we learned in our previous classes. Then you will have a clear idea about the present tense and all four forms of the present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. As you can see on the board, I have written four sentences here. I play cricket well. I am playing cricket well. I have played cricket well. And I have been playing cricket well. This sentence, the first sentence, is in the simple present tense. Second sentence is in the present continuous tense. Third sentence is in the present perfect tense. And this sentence is in the present perfect tense. I play cricket. In this sentence, base form of the verb is used. Present form of the verb is used. In this sentence, ing form is used because this sentence is in the present continuous tense. In this example, we have used V3 or verb 3, past participle form of the verb. This sentence is in the present perfect tense. The last sentence here, I have been playing cricket well. This sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense. We have used the ing form of the verb. That's all for now. Before we wind up, I would like to tell you something. Learning the tenses is very, very important as far as the English language is concerned. They are the fundamental elements of the English language. Without learning the tenses or without the knowledge of the tenses, it's not possible for us to speak English effectively and confidently. Here are some questions for you. With these questions, let's test your understanding of the topic. I dash thinking about it. I have been or I has been. One of the options you have to choose. We dash searching. Has been, have been. Vijay dash struggling. Vijay has been struggling or Vijay have been struggling. You need to find out. It dash going well. It has been going well or it have been going well. One of these options is correct. You have to choose the right option. Using these questions or using these examples, try to form more sentences in different forms of the present tense. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.